telehealth, and wow, how to start a weekend. We'll end the weekend Monday, February 1st. We got like 4 feet. Oh my God. Guys, stay home. Stay in. All right? Put them some Lipton soup. Get out the cans. Make a nice good soup. Take everything you got, make a nice good soup. We don't know when this is gonna stop. Well, they say that it's gonna be tomorrow, but who knows? Mother Nature's just rocked us right now. Wow. As you can see, this is my backyard over here, and this took me about an hour to do. So guys, don't try to go anywhere, okay? Tomorrow, that's when the plowing is gonna happen, okay? So if you have any appointments to do or whatever, just cancel them right now because you're not going anywhere. All right, we tried to give out some pizza and chicken wings today, but it's just nobody's not doing anything because you can't. So with that being said, guys, stay home, stay warm. All right, get out the Lipton soups. Just guys, brace yourselves. This is a big one. I'm gonna let you go because I got a lot more snorkeling to do. So take it easy, guys. Woo.